Salutation to Buddha, Dharma and Sangha. Greetings to all of you for year 2026. Now we reach this milestone in our life, and we do our best to make commitment to ourselves and commitment towards others, and also commitments to environment, the surrounding in which we live, to make everything auspicious as possible, better as possible, make our life meaningful as possible, productive as possible, and above all, we want it to be helpful to everyone around us. We should never forget to remember everyone around us who played very important role in our life, starting with our parents, our teachers, our spiritual friends, masters, or our professors and mentors. They shared their knowledge and wisdom so that we can progress without having to go through the trial and error that they have to go through. Of course, if we have to go through trial and errors in our own life, that's all good. But we can avoid lots of that by listening to and learning from who is already mature. And those who cares for us, they can really benefit us. I pray to all the Buddhas and Bodhisattvas and all the divinity, and those of you who don't believe in Buddha or any divinity, then I'm sure you believe in truth, the power of truth. So whatever you believe in, I pray so that that can and that will protect you and bless you. So this new year will be positive one, progressive one for you, and then for the rest of the world, we all should pray that this year should be better than the last year. All the difficulties that the world have faced last year, now it should have a next evolutionary process so that all the negative things will be transformed into positive things. Thank you, and wish you all my best. Buddha bless you, divinity bless you, and truth bless you.